Hey everybody, this is Lance Finucci at MarineMax in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we're going to be looking at the Grady-White 180 Fisherman. This one is in celestial blue. We also have another one right next to it in seaport blue. This Grady is 18 feet long, has the patented CV2 hull for that smooth ride and legendary Grady quality. We'll start right at the back of the boat. Take a look at that Yamaha 150 that's powering this Grady-White 180. We also have two jump seats right in the back. Although the cushions are not on them right now, they do have cushions, and the batteries are underneath. Turning around, the helm seat is completely reversible, so that if you're fishing off the back of the boat, you have a backrest to lean on, or when you're driving, you have the backrest facing the proper direction. The helm itself has quality stainless steering wheel from Grady, the Yamaha computer, and plenty of room for whatever electronics you wanted to put on it. Up front, you actually have three different compartments. The first is just a fish locker. Second, we have the live well, which doubles as a seat right in front of the helm. And then all the way up front, we have the anchor locker. For over 60 years, Grady-White has been making some of the best boats on the water, and this 180 Fisherman is no exception. Come on down to MarineMax in Gulf Shores, take a look. My name is Lance Finucci, and have a great day.